Right, so we're trying to refurbish some alloy wheels, and we bought some of these, I guess it's Flexovit sanding discs, 120 grit and 125mm wide. Nice thing about these, it's a British company there, which is good. Never used these before. Came from
Screwfix, yeah, about £3.
Packaging is quite good. Even there, we're using it on a D&JHowTo orbital sander, and instantly they feel real good quality. This is the fine version of their 120 grit. I guess it's got smaller grit on it. I guess that's how they do it. It's got on the label there wood, obviously paint, metal.
Yeah.
And it's got the 8 holes, so it does fit a D&JHowTo sander, and they're 125mm. Just got to line them up, which is always a there like that. I've got to say, I've had some other sanding discs and they don't stick as well. These stick quite well. It does look quite a good quality product. How much are these? About £3.99.
About £3 something for a pack.
Normally you get 10.
How many did you get in there?
Well,
6.
Normally you get 10, but these do 6, which is fair enough. Because if they're better quality, they're going to last a lot longer. And
they do them in different grits, like they do them 40, 50, 60, 80, but we couldn't get them all, could we?
120 to 150 in their sort of manufacturing process is fine, and that's what we want. You can see it. I don't know if all the pictures are the same for everything, but for 40 that would be real rough. But let's see how we get on with it.
Let's show you an actual performance thing. So we're doing this alloy wheel. We are making a video about this.
Already one of them.
So let's show an area where it's bad.
There,
so here. Yeah, so if I get a close up, that's what it looks like. It's very rough.
So I'm going to set my sander on 3. It's D&JHowTo orbital. So always get it going first. Where it's taking it back. Trying to do it justice, so it's a true review. So that was pretty impressive. Let's look at
done a good job there.
So I put a fair bit of
pressure on it,
and it hasn't really. You know, some of them clog up and they're absolutely hopeless.
Obviously, you can like blow it away, sweep it away, so it doesn't get sodden with it. But
it's definitely got the finish we want. It's just a matter of us spending some time. There's another lumpy bit there.
See how it does on this. Yeah, take that down, no problem.
So, yeah.
So if you're thinking about buying them, probably worth looking at.
I'd use the product again.
Yeah,
definitely.
they're nice discs.
They are good quality. The other thing I like about them, some of them they start sliding off the Velcro.
Velcro's not that good, is it? But these are good.
Because you're doing it and you look round and you're suddenly sanding with that.
Yeah, and
your frisbee thing's gone. Yeah. So
yeah.
I think some people make these for frisbees and not for sanding, but there you go. But yeah. Really good product, and I'd recommend
we'd definitely use them again, and
if you, for a variety of things. Yeah,
hopefully you find this review helpful if you're looking at buying them.
As good as some major brands.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
we've used all sorts of sanding discs over the years.
The price of some of them these days.
Yeah.
Yeah, so well worth having. In fact, I'm going to get some more just in case they put the price up. Thanks for watching.